This is day 32 with RPM. If you don't know what Rapid Profit Machine is, you really should. This is the easiest way to make money. Well, one of them. I have a couple side hustles going on, and this is a good one. All you have to do is sign up for their program. You are given a free funnel with an affiliate link, and all you have to do is send traffic to your link. So basically, you just have to post on social media so people can see it. Anyone that signs up under you, if they buy anything within the program, like they upgrade or they get any additional trainings, then you get a commission for it. So myself, I just upgraded to RPM Pro, which means I now get a 50% commission on everything. If you want to get started, check the link in my bio or leave me a comment.